Okay, hi guys. Today we are reacting to Darman. But it's part 2. It's part 2 of the other video. I'm trying to move the camera, guys. That was a close one. Okay, this is about a kid that, steals money in the bank. His mom's money in the bank for the Apple Vision Pro, and later regrets it. You're not rich, you're gonna regret it. True.
I don't worry about damage because I have power over it. Greenfield Salon Expert Daily Treatment with keratin and collagen duo serum. So every strand is repaired.
Bro, right when he said it.
For every glow with the natural power of papaya and tamarind. Has 2 times micro-exfoliating action that helps brighten skin in as fast as 5 days. For every glow. Glow lang ng glow naturally. Real soft. Sa love, di pwede ang kulang.
For me, dapat ganun din sa tuna.
Ang deserve mo, and Magino corn tuna. Siksik, sarap, at ngunit.
Sa lata pa lang, chinig mo.
Mike is just pointing at the sky. Here, Mom, the clouds did it, or the roof. Here, Mom, the clouds did it, or the roof. Mikey.
Wait, no change.
Happy birthday, Mom. There's goodness in everyone. New Lactose Feminine Wash Cool Sensation with menthol essence gives you instant cooling and keeps you fresh through the day. This feels cooling. I feel the fresh.
Okay, guys, I want you to hear something.
I recommend
Ow.
learning and 5 HMOs to support immunity. There's only one cookie.
Oops, the camera.
Relax Game School.
New Sunsilk Anti-Dandruff. May tea tree oil to strengthen scalp against dandruff, aloe vera, and sunflower seed oil that nourish hair. A combined solution para palitan ng healthy hair pack. New Sunsilk Anti-Dandruff.
You're in trouble. You're in trouble, Mikey.
Kaya breathe na. Nagtatanggal ng mansa. Sa unang babad pa lang. Tingin sa mansa. Breathe. Ikaw ang aking lala sa gabing madilim. Ikaw ang
Yes, that idea. What did your brother say, Mikey?
Kailan kaya at gamot para sa PSP. Hanggang kailan sasailalim ng lockdown ang San Regado Medical? Ana Ruiz, nag-uulat.
This... Okay, I'm just gonna react to it. I was gonna say this is a good video. Or actually, no. No, guys. I was actually supposed to say he is in a bad trouble. This guy is on a big trouble. Oh, I can put this in my mouth. Okay, guys. I'm not gonna pause anymore. Infinite. You're gonna be 53 when that happens.
Gusto kong makabawi ibig. Gusto kong makasama pa siya na matagal. Lord, gusto ko sa iyo.
Ha. Oh, yeah. Mikey is such a liar. True. His real name is Kato.
Mag-usap na tayo. Bakit mo ba pilit ko pinadala si Joey sa rotational duty na yun? Pag may nangyari sa anak ko, mananagot ka sa akin. Excuse me, nurse. Can you give her a mask? Kasi baka siya pang magkalat ng virus. Medyo po. Dinulat na kasi kami mga doktor eh. Tapos bigla po kami may pasyente na umuubo po ng dugo. Pag umuubo na po ng dugo, tapos dumudugo niya po yung ilong. Ibig sabihin po ng sipon na po talaga.
But, no, not true.
Ang programang ito ay rated SPG. Striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring may masiselang tema, lengguwahe, karahasan, sexual, horror o droga na hindi angkop sa mga bata.
Evident ko ba tayo na magpapanalik natin?
Hanggang hindi pa tapos yung presentation natin, hindi pa tayo pwedeng sumuko, hindi pa tapos yung laban. In my evaluation, with alcohol mental use disorders with history of substance abuse. May I
Oh.
regular counseling be conducted to determine if there's
Okay, guys. This is a long video, so yeah. The video's over. Bye, guys.